Dude, I want to start getting money for it.
I'm Rohn and I'm black. I can ride a bike.
Alright, bros. So this is the Kerley Premuim OG doing gangsta songs and edits. Mic check. As you can see, I got this sick. Actually, I don't have it. It's my homies. Got this sick Premuim CK frame. Know what I'm saying? And then let's start with the basics. I got the Premuim sub 10 step. Looking OG. And then we got the Premuim low days bars, 8.5 by 28 inches. You know what I'm saying? And then we got the ODI grips. Gotta stay classic. With bar ends. And then what's good? Oh, we got the and forks. I'm so stoked on these. It's not even my bike. I love this bike. We got the and forks and 22 wheels. You know what I'm saying? And so look at that. Oh, look at the guy who customize his face off. Alright. And we got the
Hugs up.
What?
Hugs up.
Okay. And we got the CK tires, 2.4 with the Cinema 777 wheels. You know what I'm saying? With is this a VX hub? Yeah, it looks like a VX hub. Ooh, VX. Dialed. And then we got the VX hub guards, just with cool cats and animal plastic butchers, full winches. What else? Got the market seat with it just like Chad Kerley. With Premuim OG, keeping it gangsta, seat post.
Should OG me.
I know.
No.
We got Odyssey, Thunderbolt cranks with Premuim Nomar Stars sprockets.
Too bad there's a chance of lightning today, not thunder.
And we got the Odyssey Trail Mix pedals. They hurt when they land on your shit. It's a lot. Like a lot. Oh, yeah, good. Like that. Got the AK tire in like too small to live in America. With the red wheels, obviously, as you can see. And they've got the fresh shadow chain with blue to the X. And we got the Cinema 777 rim with the VX hub.
Said that.
And then in the back, bro, they gotta know what the back is.
777, you said it
We got another ammo peg and the hub guard. And
You couldn't afford the other one.
you couldn't afford the other one. Oh, and by the way, it's an Odyssey headset, so it spins like.
Did you say the chain already?
Yeah, he did.
That's a good chain.
Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Oh, ugly. That was ugly.
Listen, I used to work for Rick James. I've been on Good Morning America 10 times. Okay?
Okay.